Well, hello there, YouTube. I'm going to go out and ride for a little bit before it rains. It's supposed to rain today about 3 o'clock. I worked in the back. I did a video about that, so I'll put that on first. But oh, Lord. There's some dogs. Here's my neighbors. I go slow on the roads when got kids out. There's a lot of little kids out here, so I always go really slow. It's supposed to rain about 3. What time is it? 1:22, so won't go too far. It's kind of windy. Gotta close this. Pretty windy out. So I'm not going to go too far. The wind comes up, the rains come in. Oh, that's all we need is, well, we need more rain, but my back, once I dig that pool, I'm going to save all the dirt and spread it back there with one of those. I'll have to rent one, unless I get Robert to do it. I might get him to do it. Then he can build my walkways and patio for a fire pit. Ooh, look at that vet. Oh man, is that nice. Oh, he's building a shop. That's a beautiful Corvette. That house is new. That's still kind of, well, there's still a couple empty lots that they sold, but they hadn't started building yet. Got bluebonnets coming up around here. Not like the hill country where there's fields and fields of them, but we got them. Whew, my back is sore. Yeah, it's clouding up again. Well, I won't make this video